Hey guys, today we're in nature and my name's Travis, by the way, and I work for PBS Kids. This right here is the oldest tree that I could find. I don't know how to tell. And I have my gay prostitute behind the camera. God, stop. Stop. I'm gonna push you in. You're gonna die. Alright, come on.
This is not the way.
Alright. So first thing we see here is a tree that died because I think Donald Trump was near here, and I don't like that. I'm gonna kill it. I can't get through to the water. Let's go up here. Alright,
Ooh, that's super.
that's scary. Let's go.
That's scary. Let's go kill ourselves.
Yeah, well, I hope we die. Alright, come on, Travis. You're Travis and I'm Travis. Got it?
Wait, who am I?
I don't know.
Oh God! That was a great blue heron.
What?
That's a great blue heron.
A great blue heron.
Haran.
Ron! My last boyfriend's name was Ron.
Howdy, boys.
He's so gay. I hate this. Nature sucks. Alright, let's get out of here.